अबे सोच भाई
प्रेमानंद जी रैंडमली लूंगा मैं कभी भी। अबे तो आज लेना।
अरे सर ने सुबह भी सुबह उठने के सर मतलब 250 रोल कर दो शकुनी की तरह।
स्माइल भी शकुनी वाली देते हैं बिल्कुल।
उसके बाद अगर दोनों में किक खाते तो फिर 6
आ गए मेरी चाय पे पानी तो नहीं गिरी। Today is Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami to everyone. My outfit of the day. It's very pretty. It's a long skirt actually, yellow colored, which I brought from Vrindavan itself, courtesy Taiji. Taiji made me buy this, and I have been taught of gods, of religion, and of a divine something since the very beginning. I have always been taught that धर्मो रक्षति रक्षितः, जो धर्म की रक्षा करता है धर्म उसकी रक्षा करता है. So even if there's nothing in the world which can protect you, there is your God, there is your religion that is there to protect you. One thing which I recently discovered was faith. Why I say that I discovered it, because we have been taught of gods, we have been taught of religion since childhood, but nobody tells you the important bridge, the important connection which is there between God, religion, and your materialistic world. When you detach from here and put your faith into the universe, into the greater good, and into the greater well being plans, that is what faith is. And I think 20s are just about figuring your complex relationship with your God. And I am grateful for all the bad times, for all the hardships, for all the people who made me turn towards God. It is always said that you have to create some sort of void. You have to detach from things to enter into a space where you can feel Him, the presence of Krishna or the presence of Radharani. We always do आरतीज and we say that तुम ही माता हो, तुम ही पिता हो, तुम ही भाई हो, तुम ही बंधु हो, तुम ही सखा हो, तुम ही friend हो. When you really start believing in that through faith, when you really put your faith into those words, then magic happens. The magic between, oh, this is not scientific, and wow, this is a miracle. The bridge between those, the magic between those two things is actually faith. When you put your faith in things, when you faithfully surrender, that is when those powers actually activate. One of the things which I want you guys to take from this video is, don't lose your Lord. Doesn't matter in what religion, God, or faith you believe in, don't lose it. Hold on to it tight. I think this is what matters at the end. This is what will be there for you at the end. And this is what is making you survive till the end.
We were just working a little bit, and so I'm bored. So I was thinking that maybe I should listen to some songs and kill my boredom.
इस शहर में किससे मिले हमसे तो छूटी महफिल शुक्र रहा चर्चा तेरा कायागार से कांचीर जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन मेरी पहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है दुख की है चाह तो दुख भी सहना है जाने क्यों ही गया कह देना तू सदा तू ठीक है कि नहीं मेरा चित्त घबरावे क्यों
इन परवाना दिल तू तका मेरे दिल